Hello and welcome to RevenueTube and our new video on how to make money on YouTube, free professional design suite. RevenueTube is all about giving you what you need to start and succeed with your own online business. In these first videos, I will cover my top 10 tools for helping you work faster and smarter. After these videos, we're going to show you the very best way to make money on YouTube, bar none. That'll be video 11, don't miss it. In a little while, I'm going to show you a couple of very important features that make this tool pure gold and why you need it in your toolkit. Okay, so as online entrepreneurs, we all have to create lots of content, and we all want to make sure that our content is of high quality and doesn't look like we did it with limited design skills, even if we did do it ourselves. But this is where Canva comes in. Let me show you how this incredible free site lets you produce stunning, professional looking content in a few clicks, even if you have zero experience and zero talent, like me. Okay, so all you have to do is go to canva.com and sign up for a free account. There are fantastic tutorials and support to get you going, but the templates are so easy and intuitive that you can get started and be producing great looking content in minutes. And just so you know, pretty much anything I need to do design work for, I do it with Canva. I'm not going to demonstrate Canva here for you, as I don't have the time and I wouldn't do it justice, but please take my word for it, it's simple to use and great quality. But as promised, let me tell you about a couple of important features specifically related to making money on YouTube. Thumbnails are your advert on YouTube. They need to be eye-catching and professional looking. Canva has an amazing, simple, intuitive set of templates for all sorts of things, including YouTube thumbnails. All of my thumbnails are made using Canva, and they look good enough for you to click on them. YouTube channel art. As we're going to be showing you how to make money on YouTube, I'll keep these two suggestions to YouTube features, but there is a huge amount more you can do with Canva. Check out their channel art templates to see how you can make professional looking backgrounds in minutes, which are already set up for YouTube dimensions for all devices. Hopefully you found this presentation helpful in preparation for how to make money on YouTube. If you'd like to know more about Canva or have any other questions, please leave a comment below. In our next video, I'll show you the best tool for capturing images and videos quickly and easily. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to see other great tips, tricks and tools to help you succeed in your online business.